How to delete business account on Facebook. Hey there. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to delete business account on Facebook. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Facebook Business Manager homepage. You can find it by typing in business.facebook.com in your address bar. Once you're there, Facebook will show you a list of all the business managers that you're associated with. Take a moment to find the Facebook Business Manager that you want to delete and give it a click. This will take you to the main page for that specific business manager. Now look for the square flyout menu on the left side of the screen. It might be hiding, so keep your eyes peeled. Once you've found it, click on it to expand the menu. From there, look for the option that says Business Settings and give it a click. Clicking on Business Settings will take you to the full Facebook Business Manager interface. This is where you can manage all sorts of settings and preferences for your Business Manager account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Scroll down until you find the option that says Business Info and click on it. This is where you'll find all the important information about your Business Manager account. Under the Business Info section, you'll see two options. The first option is for permanently deleting your Business Manager account, while the second option is for removing your personal account from the Business Manager. If you want to completely delete the Business Manager account, click on the first option. Facebook will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the account, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. On the other hand, if you just want to remove your personal account from the Business Manager while keeping the Business Manager itself active, click on the second option. This is useful if you're no longer involved with the business, but don't want to delete the entire Business Manager account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete a Facebook Business Manager account or remove your personal account from an existing Business Manager.